What's your dream? My dream is dedicated to innovation, change lives through intelligent technology. Let us embrace varieties. The good starts from hearts. With the value of sincerity leads to future development. Business with ethical, Jialita Machinery was founded in 1995. A group of pioneers, committed to high quality, have spared no effort in their odyssey. Until now, a post-press enterprise that integrates design, development, manufacturing, and marketing has come into being. In December 2018, the new modern plant was put into use. The company is located in Ruian Economic Development Zone, Zhejiang Province. We are dedicated to manufacturing world-leading laminating and coating machine series, providing high-quality and efficient products as well as optimized post-press solutions to each user. From domestically renowned to representing made in China, showing the excellence of Chinese manufacturing to the world. With the continuous deepening of intelligent manufacturing, industry automation, and informationization, we have introduced a lean production model 6S standard management system into the production center. Controlling each process and demanding production are our eternal insistence. Behind a great product is the wisdom and sweat of Jialita people. Every step of ours is inseparable from the pursuit of quality. Rigorous and high-efficient ERP management system and quality control system, with high-efficient and precise production capabilities, assures outstanding product performance. We have a top technical development team with outstanding competence, constantly break through technical barriers to create miracles from challenges. Intelligent technologies such as artificial intelligence and Internet of Things have been combined into our products. An expertise who have achieved smart positioning of laminating and coating machine, devote ourselves to a more secure, energy-saving and environmentally friendly design concepts, and enhance our core competitiveness. The company's efforts over the years have won Ruian Meritorious Enterprise Medal for Building Chinese Printing and Packaging City, Zhejiang Technological SME Prize, Ruian Technology Innovation Project Prize, National New High-Tech Enterprise Prize, and these are the glorious glory of Jialita people on their journey. Our product covered not only the domestic market, but also exported over the world. In Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and other countries and regions, they have won the trust and praise of local customers. We will further enhance our core competitiveness, accelerate introduction of technologies, nurture talents, and continue to promote the construction of innovative learning organizations and corporate culture, which serves to lay a solid foundation for our cooperation with users to achieve extraordinary and strong, long-term common prosperity. Leading the industry is altitude, even attitude. In the past, we have used more than 20 years of sweat and effort to carry out technical cooperation with domestic and foreign counterparts. Jialita People Everlasting Vision is constant innovation and research and development to provide a more perfect printing and packaging machinery for the colorful world. In the future, we will always take the rejuvenation of the Chinese national brand as our responsibility, demonstrate the value on the way to success together, face many perceptions and persistence, and achieve our original dream.